Hey everybody, welcome to your astronomy class at Randolph College. So I'll make this video here for you just to get you started. So what you're seeing here is the Moodle class. So we use Moodle for all our classes. The way that you get on that is that you log in with your Randolph College credentials. Now, if you probably got this video sent to you, the link to this video in an email to your regular email, but you should also be able to log in to your Randolph College email. And if you can't figure out how to do that, you should call the help desk at 434-947-8000 and then just ask for help desk. Okay. So I'm your Professor Katrin Schenk, and I'll be guiding you through this class. All right. So please do that, and then make sure you can get onto Moodle, and they'll help you figure out that if you don't know how to do that too. Okay, so let's take a look at the course. So first of all, there's a syllabus that you can read here that you can read on your own time. There's my contact information and office hours. So you can text my cell phone or call me. Texting is usually better. I can get to that more often. If you text after 9 p.m., I'm probably not going to get back to you till the next day. Eastern time, that is. So just be aware that I won't be, texting you back at 12 midnight or something. Okay, but feel free to text with questions. So there is a required textbook, but I really recommend that you just get the ebook here, so you don't have to get a hard copy or anything. That's usually just the best way to read this, I think. All right, so get that textbook as soon as you can. And then these are what the weeks look like. So there's 5 weeks in the class. You don't have to watch lectures or anything at any specific time, but there are deadlines in the class. So for instance, if we look at week 1, there's readings in your book, and then there's always a fun video, like the first theme is space cats. And you might be able to figure out why the theme is space cats by watching the lectures, but it's a cute video. And then these lectures are actually quizzes. So I'll show you what I mean by that. So we're going to go to attempt quiz, and you'll see there's a little video for you to watch, and then a question that comes at the end of the video that you'll answer. And then you'll go to the next page with another video. Sometimes there's just another question, right? So that's how the lectures are structured. They have questions for you to answer as you go along. Okay, and they're graded, right? Okay. So let's just go back to the course. All right. And then there's other things like there's a little quiz here, which is you run a little simulation and you you're asked some questions. And I can see here that there's a mistake here. This should say May 26th and not 28th. But all of the weeks, week 1 is all due on the Sunday of week 1. Week 2's material is all due on the Sunday of week 2. And that's how it works. That's what the deadlines are. Okay. And so there's several things for you to do, and then a quiz on there's chapter quizzes. So there's chapter 1 quiz after we finish material for chapter 1, chapter 2 quiz after we finish material for chapter 2, etc. There's also a little place for you to ask questions of your classmates. Now, if you want to ask me a question, the best thing to do is text me, but not here, or email me, or call me. This is really for you guys to interact with each other with any questions. Okay. All right. So just every week kind of looks the same, has a fun video in the beginning, and then has stuff for you to do. All right. Sometimes some of the videos could be funky for some users on some browsers. So I'll put a new lecture, I'll put sections. If you had any trouble with Lecture 6, Part 1, please use this quiz. Okay, so you might see that here and there. It happens a few places in the class. Now, we do have tests in the class. And so if we look down, we'll see, besides the quizzes, right? We have, like, for instance, exam 1, okay? And that's on chapters 1 through 10, and it's due by the June 9th, okay, at midnight. So it's open book and open notes. So it shouldn't be too hard. There might be a few fill-in questions, but they're mostly multiple choice. And you just have to finish it by the deadline. So there's exam 1, and let's scroll through. Here's our more fun videos. But remember, all the lectures are also quizzes, right? Okay. And then there's exam 2 at the end. There's no final that's cumulative, right? There's exam 1 and exam 2, and they cover different material. Okay. Well, I hope that helps. Reach out to me if you have any issues, and make sure you can get into Moodle. When you get this email today, try to get in. Try to figure out how to get in, how to get to your Randolph email. Okay. You won't be able to call the help desk until tomorrow because it's the weekend right now. But please do if you have any trouble at all. Okay, good luck.